Taanis soovitakse tõsta kutseõppe populaarsust. Seejuures on võetud fookusesse töökohapõhine õpe ehk õpipoisiõpe. Valitsus ja sotsiaalpartnerid on õpipoisiõppe kohtade pakkumise suurendamiseks leppinud kokku, et ettevõtted saavad õpipoiste koolitamise eest tasu. Kutsekooli taga on kohustatud suunama õppijaid õpipoisiõppesse.
One of the things we look at in that reform, it is how to make VET more attractive for young people. And we think it's an idea to introduce practical topics earlier, not just in vocational education, but earlier in the compulsory education, that young people should be introduced to those professions, because they might not meet these professions in their own families.
Erinevate ametite õppekavad on erineva pikkusega. Kasutusel on üle 100 õppekava, mille pikkus on 2–5 aastat. Näiteks turvatöötajaks võib saada 4-nädalase kursusega või 2-aastase õppega. Pikemas õppes on rohkem teooriat, aga ka suurem rõhk töökohapõhisel õppel. Pikem õppekava annab rohkem üldharidusaineid ja võimaluse hiljem oma erialal karjääri teha.
I chose it because there's more opportunities. First of all, you learn more. It's nice to be working with something you actually know how to do. Second of all, you get into a company as a part of the education, so it's easier for you to get a work at the company afterwards. And yeah, it's also easier to rise inside the company if you have a longer and better education.
We have a website in Denmark where you can go in and find all educations you can take. And for me, I went into the website when I was about to get out of the military and I saw the guard education. So that was the reason I found the school.
Taanis kasutatakse niinimetatud piitsa ja prääniku meetodit, sest need tööandjad, kes ise ei koolita, maksavad vastavalt oma töötajate arvule töökohapõhise õppefondile. Sunnimeetodeid on aga teisigi.
If the Danish government is having a big contract of building something, the companies are not allowed to participate in this if they not have taken in the apprentices.
Kuidas toimub aga koostöö uute õppeprogrammide väljatöötamisel ja millised on tuleviku eesmärgid?
In Denmark, we have a strong cooperation between the social partners when it comes to vocational education. They are a key player and they have a key say in decisions about how to design the different education programs. Would like to have students that are very motivated and have a strong well-being. So it's not only about the academic stuff or the vocational trades, it's also about having happy young people.